Today we're making Italian yogurt panna cotta with caramelized figs. It serves 6 and takes about 4 hours including chilling. Let's get started. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 2 cups plain whole milk yogurt, creamy and tangy. 1 cup heavy cream to make it silky. 1/3 cup granulated sugar for gentle sweetness. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract for aroma. 2½ teaspoons unflavored powdered gelatin to set the panna cotta. 3 tablespoons cold water to bloom the gelatin. A pinch of fine sea salt, about 1/8 teaspoon, to balance flavor. 8 medium fresh figs, halved, sweet and ripe. 1/4 cup granulated sugar for caramelizing the figs. 1 tablespoon unsalted butter for a glossy caramel. 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar to finish the glaze. 2 tablespoons chopped pistachios for crunch. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Sprinkle 2½ teaspoons of powdered gelatin over 3 tablespoons of cold water and let it bloom for 5 to 10 minutes until it looks spongy. In a saucepan, heat 1 cup of heavy cream with 1/3 cup sugar and a pinch of fine sea salt, about 1/8 teaspoon. Stir over medium heat until the sugar dissolves and light steam appears, 3 to 4 minutes. Do not let it boil. Take the pan off the heat and add the bloomed gelatin. Stir until it's fully dissolved, about 1 minute, making sure no granules remain. Let it cool for 5 minutes until just warm. Then whisk in 2 cups of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Divide the mixture evenly among 6 small glasses, filling each about 3/4 full. Chill the glasses uncovered for 20 minutes. Then cover and refrigerate for at least 3 hours until fully set. When the panna cotta is nearly set, pat the 8 halved figs dry with a paper towel so they caramelize properly. In a skillet over medium heat, add 1/4 cup sugar and 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. Stir until melted and bubbling. Lay the figs cut side down in the skillet and cook without moving them for 3 to 4 minutes until the edges are deeply caramelized. Flip the figs and cook for 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar and toss for 30 seconds to glaze, then remove from the heat. Let the caramelized figs and their syrup cool for about 10 minutes until warm and slightly thickened. Spoon 2 fig halves over each panna cotta and drizzle the pan syrup evenly among the 6 glasses. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of chopped pistachios evenly over the tops for a crunchy finish. Refrigerate the assembled desserts for 10 minutes so the topping settles slightly. Serve the yogurt panna cotta well chilled with the caramelized figs and syrup on top. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this dessert, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Italian recipes.